What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Never Not by Lauv. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats out the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as the free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. Now you're only alternating between two strings here. It's going to be the low E string and your G string. And you're going to be picking 13th fret on the low E and then 14th fret on the G. It's a version of an F chord. And you're picking all through these little chords the same exact way. It's just E, G, E, 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 G, E. And this next one is just 12 on both the E and the G. And then 10 on both the E and the G. 8, 9, 8 on E, 9 on G, 6 on E, 7 on G, 5 on E, 5 on G, back to 6 and 7, back to 8 and 9. So that looks like first chord, second chord, third chord, fourth chord, fifth chord, sixth chord, back here, and it starts all over. So again, for your picking, it's just you're alternating E, G, E on each chord. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.